Houston Station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Kayla LaFrance. It was an exciting week aboard the space station as the orbiting laboratory grew and the crew went for a walk outside.
And liftoff.
After its successful launch last Wednesday from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan, the new Prishal docking module arrived safely to orbit and rendezvoused with the station on Friday. Prishal is a Russian node module that supports 6 docking ports, one of which was used to autonomously dock with Nyoka's Earth-facing port, which itself was attached to the orbiting laboratory back in July 2021. The spherical module carried with it 2,200 pounds of cargo and will add roughly 494 cubic feet of volume to the station. This week, NASA astronauts Kayla Barron and Tom Marshburn went for a stroll outside the orbiting laboratory to replace one of the station's S-band antenna support assemblies. Marking NASA's 78th EVA in support of the space station, the duo worked together as they ventured outside to remove the failed communication unit on the P1 truss and to install a new replacement. Fellow crew members Raja Chari and Mark Vandehei were on duty throughout the day, monitoring the 2 astronauts during the spacewalk and helping them in and out of their spacesuits. Matthias Maurer was also on hand as he controlled the Canadarm2 robotic arm, assisting the spacewalkers at the Port 1 truss structure worksite. Speaking of spacewalks, science inside the space station is studying a new technology that could keep astronauts and equipment cool while working outside the orbiting laboratory. The Spacesuit Evaporation Rejection Flight Experiment, or SERFI, uses evaporation of water for cooling, and researchers are evaluating the technology's effect on contamination and corrosion of different spacesuit materials. Crew members recently completed several samplings of water to send back to Earth for analysis. This research supports development of spacesuits for future exploration missions. And that's Space to Ground for this week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.